Goeiemôre, ek Speer Heineke van Gunslinger. Ons is die invoerder en verspreider van Caesar Guerini maalgewere. Caesar Guerini, relatief jong firma in Italië, in Brescia geleë. Hulle het aanvanklik begin en was deel van Fabarm en het uiteindelik Fabarm uitgekoop en is tans die tweede grootste haalgeweervervaardiger. Baie groot in die Amerikaanse en die Europese mark. In Suid-Afrika is dit 'n relatiewe jong en onbekende brand en is besig om ook in Suid-Afrika redelike groot navolg te kry en besig om trekking te kry soos wat meer en meer skuts begin om die Caesar te skiet. Caesar Guerini se gewere word hand afgewerk en is topklas kompetisiegewere en ook gewere vir jag en het 'n verskeidenheid van 12 boor, 20 boor, 28 boor en dan ook 14 haalgewere wat hulle in die mark het met 'n verskeidenheid van keuses in modelle, hout en dan ook in die afwerking en looplengte wat daarmee saamgaan. Kyk na die volgende video oor die Invictus reeks wat Caesar self sien as en rate as good for a million shots.
Hey there, my name's Travis Mears, professional trick shooter and shotgun shooter for Caesar Guerini. This is the Caesar Guerini Invictus 9. This gun's incredibly beautiful. Whether you're on the course or in the gun safe, this is going to be an eye catcher no matter where you go. Really what attracts everybody, including myself, is the incredible coin finished engraved receiver, and the polish just really makes it pop. That receiver extends all the way up into this Boss style fore-end. In my experience, you don't see very often, and it really is eye catching. On both sides of that really pretty receiver, you're going to see Turkish walnut that's been hand polished with an oil finish. The Invictus has got incredible technology behind it that is far superior to just about anything else on the market. With a wider receiver and all the modular pieces that can be replaced as the gun has wear and tear over years and years of shooting, anything that could or should wear out over time, we can just swap out or adjust as needed. These barrels are incredibly beautiful barrels as well. They've got a deep blue finish on them. This is a 32-inch barrel, but what makes this gun really easy to point as a user like myself is the rib. 10 millimeters on the back, tapering down to 8 millimeters. When we're shooting sporting clays with targets in the air, having that tapered rib really allows for us to have more precision. To top that off, we've got an anti-glare finish on top, which is going to help you when you're shooting in the sun, also when you're shooting under the lights. This has proven to help me in some shoot-off scenarios at fairly large tournaments when it gets late in the day. We've got a mid bead and a front bead, and out here on the end we've got the Caesar Guerini chokes, which have proven to pattern just as well as anything else on the market. Some of the cool facts that I learned about the Caesar Guerini chokes is that they're made of the same metal consistency as the barrel, and so that when the shot is fired, the barrel and chokes flex together, which allows for a really consistent pattern. The trigger comes with a nice crisp pull, which is perfect for a competitor like myself, and also really easy to access safety. This safety is not going to be one that accidentally goes on or accidentally goes off. This is built for the competitor that really likes a pretty gun. When we go out on a big tournament, a sporting clay shoot, you'll notice that there's a lot of really pretty guns in the rack. I can guarantee you that this is going to be the one where everybody's eyes are drawn in. The entire Invictus line is made to outlast the competitor. With the modular locking system, if you should ever need adjustments, they can either be tuned up or replaced. So this makes this shotgun very easy to fine tune, but I'm telling you, I've put mine to the test for 5 years with a lot of shooting every year, and it's gonna take a long time. I hope that my son or grandson or on down the line have to make these adjustments. This locking system is changing the way that we think about the lifetime of a shotgun. One of my favorite features of the Invictus line is the action control system. When you have a gun for a long time and it falls open, that can be very easily adjusted with the action control system. Right inside the fore end, there's a Allen wrench that you can turn to tighten or loosen. And so when the gun comes new in the box, just like any new gun should, it might be stiff where we have to kind of pull it down. But if you would rather, just a minor adjustment, and we can have that like it's 5-year-old shotgun that we've shot many shells out of. Having those kind of adjustments as a competitor really gives me my customization. It allows me to make this shotgun fit and feel the way I want it to. So not only is the Invictus 9 incredibly beautiful shotgun, the shootability of this is really impressive. Coming in at an average weight of 8 pounds, 3 ounces, which is perfect for your competitive shotgun. This gun points really well. When I get into my ready position as a sporting shooter, I feel that the weight is right between my hands, which gives me the ability to move quick, follow through, but also track on those long crossers. This is the balance I'm looking for in a sporting shotgun. So this gun's balanced right at the hinge pin between my 2 hands. I can guarantee this thing is going to point like a dream.
Kom ons gaan skiet hom en ons gebruik van Elise ammunisie om die geweer dan te toets en sy potensiaal vir julle te wys.
Roll. 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 Roll.
Julle het nou genoeg gesien oor wat is moontlik met die Caesar Guerini saam met Ellie ammunisie en julle kan die artikel lees in Wildland se Maart uitgawe wat volledige inligting dan sal voorsien.